Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Tana. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe because 2018 is the year. This is the year, guys. I'm not even kidding. So just come on in. You guys can stay a little while, watch this haul video. You guys know I work from home. I do YouTube stuff, and so that means I never really have to get dressed. But I really like to because it really increases your confidence, your productivity. It makes you feel just amazing, feel like you're a part of the world, you know, so I like to kind of dress up a little bit now, even on just a daily basis, or at least get dressed every day. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and give this video a thumbs up, and let's go. So I got some pieces from HoneyBum. They sent these to me and I thought they'd be the perfect addition to all the kind of staples that I've been buying for my wardrobe, because you need some stuff that's just trendy, that's inexpensive, that you can add in. So first I got this sweater. I wore this in an Instagram post. Well, it wasn't a post, it was just a story. So it's just this black sweater and I'm gonna try everything on. It has rips. It's not even rips, it's it has a frayed neckline and also a frayed bottom along with the sleeves. I think this is cute because it's just an alternative to a simple sweater, and this is great for pairing it with high-waisted jeans, especially ones with buttons. I have these, my favorite ones from Free People, that I always wear this with. I live in cold weather now, so I'm getting used to it. Still wearing sweaters and stuff. So this sweater is super, super cute. I saw this on the website, I was like, I need it. So it has a collar along with a regular collar. So it's one of those ones where it goes it's like a choker sweater. It's just gray and it's a little bit distressed. I love just a casual sweater. You can throw it over anything and just wear it, and then your outfit looks complete. And that's why I like this, because I feel like this little collar thing just completes your outfit. I don't know. I think it's super cute. And then, okay, this shirt is my absolute favorite. I have a shirt like this from Urban Outfitters and it was $50, and I was like, oh, this is very similar to that. So this one's actually navy blue, and I got two different ones, but different colors, and the other one's velvet. I'll show you guys that next. But it's just a really low, deep V top, and it has a tie. It's a crop top, but it's not super duper cropped. It's just right below your boobs. And then it has these sleeves where they kind of cinch and then they're a little bit billowy. So I love the navy blue color. And then this one is a champagne color and it's velvet. I got this because I thought it'd be really good for holiday sort of stuff. It did come a little bit late, so I didn't get to wear it for the holidays, but I thought this is perfect for something like that, something a little bit dressier. I've never had a two-piece set before, so I thought I would try one out from HoneyBum. And this one's kind of a rust color. It is so silky and soft and just so comfortable. This is gonna be one of my things that I wear into spring. And finally, we had our last snowstorm. What was it called? The bomb cyclone. So that was our big snowstorm, and now it's in the 30s and 40s, and I'm like, yes, okay, it's almost spring. So this is super cute. Another crop top with wide leg flowy pants in this really nice rust color. It's so lightweight. I even wore the pants with just a white v-neck t-shirt and tucked it in. I thought that was really cute with it too. And I just always wanted a piece, a two-piece set, because I thought they were so cute. And so now I have one that's inexpensive and that I'm gonna wear all the time. This next sweater is a cream color and it's a little bit longer. It's almost like a sweater dress. I guess if you were short, you could probably wear it as a sweater dress, but I'm not that short. So it has one of those tie fronts that was super popular, but it's cuter because it's on a sweater and it's cream and I like it. Like I said, sweaters are kind of just instant outfits for me. If you're just running out the door and you don't want to think too much, just throw on a sweater and you're good to go. The stuff I got from HoneyBum, I told you, it's more fun stuff. So this is just a plain white shirt and it actually has a middle finger tiny on the side. I thought that was just fun to have, you know, no one knows it's there if you're covering it with a jacket, but you know it's there. So it's kind of I don't know, it's my little secret. I don't know, I'm super weird what's wrong with me, seriously? And then I got this bodysuit. So it has flowers on it, it's mesh, it's see-through a little bit, and I wasn't sure. I'm not super fond of this. It just has a weird material to it, but I think the pattern's pretty cool. It looked a little bit different on the website. It's not my favorite piece, and I want to tell you guys that just so you guys know, and don't order, because I don't know, I wouldn't recommend this. The quality kind of feels a little bit cheap. So I actually have a coupon code for HoneyBum. You guys can get 20% off. So check the description box. The code is TANA. And if you have any questions about the sizing and stuff, all the sizing was pretty true to size, but you can leave it in the comments below and let me know if you guys get anything. You can send me a little picture on Instagram and I'll be sure to like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.